Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see my title, that I'm gonna tell you about the GSD professional style that I got in my anniversary gift. I'm gonna unbox in front of you guys and try on how it's gonna go and everything. And thank you so much for all your love and support, and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel. And let's get started. So this is my GSD. So here you go. This is typically in white icon, so I got this one from lidcombe center. Actually, as I told you that I got this one as my 6th anniversary gift from my husband, and he really want to give me some surprise, and then I was like, okay, then let's get some GSD products. So as I don't have like straightener, a good one, so I want to try as a long last one. So he get a deal, and then he got me this one from the lidcombe center, and that was like a little bit closer to me, and I went there and got this one. So for you guys who are searching for any straightener for a long last and want to get some information regarding the GSD products, keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, go down below and subscribe it, so that every time when I post a new video, so I can let you know, or the icon bell gonna notify you that my new video has been uploaded. So thank you so much guys, and let's get started. Alright, so the cover basically comes with a blue one. Actually they have like lots of GSD product in their store, like hair dryer, hair comber, and then a straightener and curly, everything they have like a GSD product. So look at this beautiful authentic finishing of GSD box. I'm so in love with this box, and it's so handy and not really heavy at all. So let's look at the inside. So basically it looks like first you can have a look of GSD logo, and then the straightener, that's what I want to make you have a look. So I love this icon GSD that has been written here, and this is basically a white one. So what I got to get is like they don't have a white mostly, as they have like a limited edition of white, so white and gold version. So and I'm lucky enough to grab white one, and they have like black as well, a lot of blacks of GSD, and white is so pure. And I have like a hair dryer which is white in Revlon, so I prefer to go with white and be like what we call collab with the hair dryer and the straightener. So this is all basically about the GSD straightener. So when I pull it out, so it basically have like inside they have like silicones of GSD. Look at that, I love this one. Look at this GSD. So they have like a silicone over here, so whenever we just do with the hair straightener, so we just go through with this. Yeah, awesome. Doesn't it look like awesome, guys? All right, so there you go. So look at this. I don't know if you can see or no. Look at that GSD. Yeah. And so guys, so I'm gonna do in front of you guys. Actually, look at my hair. My hair is already natural, no any transaction, no any what do you call like extension, or like no any straight that have been done permanently. So I did a few months before the highlight and coloring of my hair, but now it's like okay. So basically what I use is like I use the Tresemme the moisturizer conditioner right now. So I used to have like before repair one, and they are very good product in Australia, so I get that one, and because of that conditioner it helps a lot to be smooth with my hair. Look at that, it doesn't even look like I have been done straightener, but some of them here are like damaged in the between, in the middle, but that's fine. And I use serum as well. So basically because of the serum it looks better with my hair. Everything is like twinkling and everything. Yeah, so if you guys want to get review what I apply in my hair when I'm getting sour, so that's Tresemme and this serum. So if you want to get any review or want to look after my product, so you can drop the message down in my comment down below, so that I can do some video regarding my product of the conditioner and the serum in the next video. So that's how it goes. So thank you so much guys. So the last thing I'm gonna do in front of you guys to do the hair straightener in front of you. And the best thing about this one is like it's really quick heater, like it heats so quickly, and it's really light and it's so functioning. So they have like it's a bottom here, so you can click and it's gonna be started. So they don't have like any the increasement or decreasing level. So I heard they have like the constant heat system, I guess. So what I found is like they don't have like putting down, you know, like when it's too much heat you just press low and high, but they don't have like that. So this is how it goes. Let's have a look. But this product is very authentic and very original, so there's no any fake or nothing like that. So I'm gonna do in front of you guys, have a look how you feel and get review with it, and then hope you're gonna buy someday or give someone. It's very useful for everyone. So let's get started. So hey guys, I already opened the straightener. Just a sec, it's too light for me. All right, that's best enough. All right guys, so I already heated up the straightener. So that's how it looks like. Doesn't it looks like a beauty? All right, so what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna straight one of my hair. Actually just gonna put small texture like that here. Oh, it's already hot enough. My hand is burning. Oh wow, look at that. Jesus Christ. Oh, did you see that here? All right, so what I'm gonna do is to make sure, all right, I'm gonna do this one. This is more curly, so that you guys can look how it's gonna look. So this is more curly in middle. All right, look at that. One more. Oh wow, look at guys, see? All right, this one. All right, so this is more curly, so that you can see how it goes. And the best part of this one is it heats so quickly, and yeah, see that? Did you see that? All right, look at that, man. Oh wow. Okay, So look, you don't see any curly right now because I already did the hairs right now. Look at that. Alright, see. I don't know if you can see the vapor. The vapor is too high in here, but I don't know, in the video it's not looking at all. Right. So that I can dim so that you can have a look. Yes, so this is my final look, and I have done in front of you guys about the straightening and everything. So I only did like few layers so for you to have a look. So yeah, there you go. So it's time for me to wrap up the video, and hope you guys like my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on. So thank you for all your support and all your views that you have been done for me. I hope I haven't reached till a lot of videos, but I'm trying my best, and I'm trying my best to give you more information regarding a professional thing and in your life. So hope you guys like it, and I hope I'm gonna be do more video in coming days, so I'm gonna be more engaged with you all people. And thank you so much. If you wanna know about the location and where should you wanna get this one product, so I'm gonna link down in my description below and get the address and everything so that you can have a look. So thank you so much guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and see you guys next time. Bye.